Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Pspice installed, TI model files ready, and a valid license. Open a new project, select analog or mixed signal and choose a schematic. Import the TI lib file so models load. This links symbols to behavior. Once done, place a ground, set units, and create a simulation profile. This first action governs accuracy and speed. Make sure to save the project folder now, because library paths and relative links are critical to repeatable runs. You now assemble the circuit. Drag TI symbols and wire them carefully, checking pin order and orientation. Misplaced pins cause silent errors. Next, assign the imported TI model to each symbol and tune parameters such as R, C, transistor betas, or initial voltages so the simulation reflects reality. After that, attach power rails and probes and set solver tolerances. Tighter tolerances improve fidelity but increase runtime. If the design uses SPICE directives, place them neatly and recheck net names before running. You execute the simulation and watch critical nodes. Start with a short transient to validate connectivity, then run full AC or parametric sweeps to characterize response. Use cursors and built-in measurements to capture voltages, currents, gain, and timing. This shows why the circuit behaves as it does. Once satisfied, export waveforms to CSV and save an annotated schematic plus the profile for repeat runs. If results are wrong, check model mappings first. Mismatched libraries are the most common source of.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.